How to download and create Capcut account on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can download and create a Capcut account on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download and create a Capcut account on your iPhone, just open up the App Store, and then in the search box, you want to simply go ahead and then type in Capcut. All you have to do is just tap on the Get button right next to the Capcut video editor in order to go ahead and then actually download this. So as you can see, the download process has begun on my iPhone. Verify with your Face ID or whatever else that you actually have. The installation process could take a while, so we're going to come back after the downloading process. So as you can see, the application has been successfully downloaded. Now I'm going to go over and then open it up. Now just keep in mind that you don't really need a Capcut account in order to go ahead and use Capcut. You can use it without an account, but if you still do want to create an account, then just tap on this little icon from the top left hand side. Now you can choose to create with a Facebook account, with an Apple ID, or just sign in with TikTok. In this case, you can just select sign in with a TikTok, and then you can just go ahead and create an account and link it to them, because you don't really need to have a Capcut account. You can just sign in using your Apple ID or your Facebook ID or whatever else that you have. This is simply how you can download and create a Capcut account on your iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.